Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of electric field. As we have observed lot of fields in our surroundings, even the cricket field, magnetic field, a particular field which we are discussing. What actually the field is? Let us try to understand this. This is the picture in which you are able to see how the object falls on the surface of the earth. Here the small object is attracted towards the earth. So this is because of the gravitational field which is present around the earth. So student, this is very important point, that object is attracted towards the earth. So this particular we call as a gravitational field of the earth. In the case when we are taking the two magnets having the opposite poles are approaching, so magnets, they are attracted towards each other. From the diagram you can see how the attraction take place when they are of the opposite nature. Now that is the property of the magnets. So let us continue. This is the field which is the space property. So electric charges, where we are dealing with the concept of electric field. Now we are having the charge, suppose it is positive, and another positive charge comes into near to this charge, we are getting a force of repulsion. And if the charges are in opposite nature, that is positive and negative, this shows the attractions, that is the property of the charges. This is because an electric field is formed around a charge. A particular charge start forming its own field, and that field we call as the electric field. Any of the charge when start entering into this region, it particular charge experiences either a force of attraction or a force of repulsion, depends upon the nature of the charge. So in this particular case we can say the space around the charge body in which the influence of the charge can be felt or observed. Come to the next point, that is electric field intensity. Let us understand it in detail. It is the measure of strength of an electric field. So here every charge form an electric field around it. Let us consider a charge Q having a nature positive, and this electric field intensity at any point in an electric field is the force acting on this particular unit charge placed at that point. So electric field is given by the formula, that is force divided by that test charge. Now this is very important. Why we are using Q naught here? Because the particular force is developed by the main charge which we are called as a source charge, and this Q naught is the test charge which comes into the field of that source charge. This electric field is a vector quantity. The SI unit, Newton per coulomb, and volt per meter, both we are using as the SI unit of electric field. Now the dimension we can find out either by using the formula or by using the dimensional. MLT minus 2 is for the force, and for charge it is ampere into time. So this is the dimensional formula of the electric field intensity. Now let us continue the expression for electric field intensity due to a point charge. In this particular case, a charge is given at a point, and we are going to discuss about the value of the electric field because of this charge. Now consider a point charge which is located at a point A, and consider a test charge. Now here the Q which is at point A is a source charge, and Q naught which is at point B is a test charge. Why we are using test charge? That is the physical importance of electric field we are using, because both these are the charges. So both the charges are having a particular field. We are considering the test charge in such a way so that it has a less effect as compared to that of the main charge. So distance between these two charges is, let us consider, that is R. Now where n is the unit vector which is directed from point A to B. Let us continue according to the Coulomb's law. How we find out the value of the force acting on a particular charge? Already we have discussed in the previous modules, that is force is equal to K Q1 Q2, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, Q naught. So here the one charge is Q and another charge is Q naught. divided by the square of the distance between them, that is r square, and represent a unit vector having the magnitude is 1 but indicates about the direction of the force. So how we calculate the electric intensity, electric field at a point B because of the main charge? That is by using the definition, electric field is the ratio of the force is to the charge. So by using this particular above equation number 1, we are getting mathematically 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square, where q naught and q naught are cancelled to each other. So this is the final expression for electric field due to a point charge. So magnitude of electric intensity, that is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. This particular formula is used most of the times for the numerical purpose, and from here so many conclusion comes into play. That is, electric field is inversely proportional to the position. So this is the final expression for the electric field. Let us we understand, have the reflections on our understanding. The first question, the unit of electric field intensity is number 1 Newton per Coulomb, number 2 volt per meter, number 3 both A and B, and the 4th is none of these. Yes, the correct option is both A and B. Come to the next one. That is, which type of the quantity is electric field intensity? Means out of these quantity, by what type of the property are to be shown by the particular terms. That is, scalar quantity show the electric concept, vector quantities, tensor quantities, or none of these. Yes, the correct option is vector quantities shows the electric field intensity. Come to the next one. Electric field intensity is also represented as number 1 F upon E, number 2 Q by F, number 3 E by F, and number 4 F by Q. Yes, the correct option is F by Q. Thank you.